Indonesian National Police to General Tito Karnavian last week in Jakarta. I convey our congratulations to General Tito and my best wishes to the General for a successful and enjoyable tenure, with the hope that the collaboration between the Indonesian police and Fiji police will grow to be stronger and mutually beneficial. I also thank the Indonesian police for agreeing to meet as a working group towards the implementation and extension of our Memorandum of Understanding, initially signed in November 2011. This is a milestone and will augur well for our forces, and importantly to deepening our already cordial relations. Since the signing of the MOU in November 2011, close to 20 Fiji police officers have attended training in Indonesia in various capacities, including staff college training. This is in addition to operation capability assistance provided to the Fiji police force. I also thank the Indonesian National Police for supporting Fiji's application for an observer status at the ASEAN Pole, the case for which we understand is now with the ASEAN Pole Secretariat in Malaysia. Indonesian police commitment to assist us and share the experience could not have come at a better time, noting the complexity of global policing challenges confronting us today. For crime respects no border, irrespective of the differences we may have. As neighbors in the Pacific, we have a seamless border, so as the common global challenges we have to tackle to address the challenges of the 21st century.